Welcome back to another video, guys. We're here at the gas station and I wanted to give an update and talk about the miles per gallon that this truck is getting versus the old 2017. Now, if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go do so. We were getting pretty crappy gas mileage when we put the lift on it, we put the tires on it. I'll link it up top here somewhere. This truck is a total mess. We got a lot of work to do. We got to get it cleaned up. We just got it filled up. We've been fishing. We've been kind of under the weather, but enough about that. Let's talk about the miles per gallon in this truck. Alrighty, so I ran some numbers here and took some pictures, and we are at 8,774 miles on the truck, which is not bad. Now, this does come in at 260.1 hours on the truck. Alrighty, so out of those 8,700 and some odd miles, we have 4,752 on the lift itself, the lift and the big tires. Now, we do not have any tire calibration. We do not have any modifications done to the engine, no cold air. This is just a bone stock truck. It's still running your cylinder deactivation, and we have that MBRP exhaust on, but that is it. So out of 4,752 miles, we're averaging 14.6 miles to the gallon. Now, that is over a broad range. That's my daily life driving. So in the summertime, we're pulling the boat, we're pulling the tractor, we're doing city driving, a little bit of highway driving, and mainly 90% of the time, it's all back roads, 50, 55 miles an hour, up and down hills. So out of that whole entire thing, 14.6 is not bad considering we have no performance stuff done to this truck. Now, I did run the last couple tanks of just city driving, no trailer pulling, no towing or anything like that. And out of 1,266 miles, we are at 15.0 miles to the gallon exactly. Make sure you let me know down in the comments what everybody else is getting. If you have a stock 2019 new body or newer truck, let me know down in the comments what you're actually getting versus what is on the sticker. Any other style of this truck, let me know what you're getting. If you have 35s and a big lift, let me know as well. And let's get some comments going down below. So make sure you stay tuned. We have lots more coming for the channel, of course. We have, we're gonna get involved with this sport mode. We're gonna find out what the difference is and how much quicker sport mode actually is. We're gonna get the boat out by the end of the month. We have tons of tractor stuff to come. The weather's finally getting better. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you later.